Well, it's Sieffert's Nursery. We've been around for 40 years. We're a woody ornamental grower. We grow ground covers, trees, shrubs. We also have citrus, vegetables, not citrus, I'm sorry, but fruit trees. We do some landscaping. We provide knowledge to the plants that we grow to the customers.
We were founded in 2014 by a not-for-profit called Ideas for Us. They do a program called The Hive that meets at East End Market, and they came up with this idea to grow food in people's lawns. But really, it's so much more than that. The premise is really to engage the community and enable people to grow their own food and utilize spaces like lawns, empty lots and things like that that can be rejuvenated into an area where you're growing food for everybody. So.
Thank you so much for letting us participate. Yes, so this is a patch of blue. It's a hydroponic strawberry farm, and we also provide blueberries. We have 1 acre of blueberries. The season for strawberries are January through May, and the blueberries are April through May, sorry. And we love to have the opportunity to become part of this community, so it's great.
I think this is a great learning experience for people that would want to come on a farm tour like this. You don't know what's in your own neighborhood and what's available for you picks and for your own yard that you could do.
It's really cool. I mean, out of all the ones that we did, we learned something different in each one. They got to try food in the last one, and this one we learned a new way of how they're doing strawberries this year. So it's been pretty cool.
You can never know. I always thought that if you want to plant something, you have to use soil, but you don't have to.
Have to say to people who are considering doing the tour?
They should definitely come and do the tour and see what Orange County has to offer for them.
She's gonna do it. Well, Catalina's gonna do it, but I can't.